How to fix Rust servers not loading in the menu. So there are actually a lot of or multiple factors why this specific problem is happening on your end. So possible reason could be your current network. So that's the very first thing that you want to do. Make sure that you have at least full or at least maximum signal bars from here so that you will not encounter any glitches or possible crashes while currently on the server. Now, the other thing that you can do is to verify download integrated files directly on Steam. Just go into your library, pull up your Rust game, go into properties and installed files, and choose on verify game integrity. Now, the next step is go into your Windows icon, type in CMD, and make sure to run it as an administrator. Now, commands are going to be ipconfig space forward slash lush DNS, hit on enter, exit, and then just simply restart your PC and try to re-enter in that server again. So those are the troubleshooting steps for you to fix Rust servers not loading in the menu.